Now, well, there you go. The big engine, the 6040. That's that. Five drivers at each end. That is unbelievable. Look at that. We're going to have a look inside here perhaps. See what it's all about. There you go. Wow. Not many people have been inside the engine like we have right now. That's the one. We're going to have a look at the springs as well. Look at this. The guts of it. Unbelievable stuff. That is so good. See, not many people go and have a look through the wheels. But we can. Just like that. Yeah. Go and have a look around. Underneath the big boy. That is so neat. Anyhow. Look at that. That is just so incredible. Oh, Mikey, have a look around. Yeah. We got it on this side. That is just incredible. They've got chocks under just in case it runs away. Who even thinks about it? Okay. There you go. I can't even see it in the door, but anyhow, that is massive. And of course on the other side here, you can see locos and more locos and more locos. But this bummer, get out of the way. This is huge. So is that bloody March fly that's trying to bite me. Hang on. We're going to have a look in here again. That's there. I'm not sure which is the front. I think this is the front of the water.